premise of the program is relatively simple. It's this idea that for the programs we'll be looking at for TradingView and NinjaTrader, if we look back into the past and we study the times that markets are going up and down regularly, we should be able to predict the next time that's about to happen in the future and anticipate a repeating cycle or pattern that is occurring with regularity. So for example, one way I try to ground that concept is where we live, most of the packages that UPS delivers, we're in a fairly rural area. They come in sometime between 10:30 and 10:45. A package arrives on my door if I had ordered it with Prime. And that's usually where we are on the cycle. And we can do the same type of analysis on a 1-minute NQ chart all the way out to a daily or even a weekly chart, as long as we have enough historical. Dave, I'll cover force for sure. Let's go. A matter of fact, David, let's go through all the methods that I've learned over almost 2 decades now that I'm certain have a strong correlative, if not causative effect in the market. And force is definitely one of those. So for the purpose of this chart, Dave, we'll kind of branch out into the 3 different methods. Let me dial in on this one for a minute. We're going to circle back to this actually. If we have enough historical data patterns, we should be able to anticipate when these future moves are likely to occur. And all of this is predicated on a very important premise that you sort of kind of have to believe that markets are rigged or these cycles exist. And if you're listening to me, you're weird like I am. I've met the people who've nearly gotten red in the face yelling at me, telling me how horrible we are and what a fraud this is, and we should be ashamed of ourselves, and why aren't we billionaires yet, and this and that and the other thing. My curiosity from this, and full disclosure, from day one has been the science side of it. But in this instance, I really think I stumbled onto something. So for example, if you have been following along with us, we've been paying attention to the predictions in gold futures. And we've been very honest and clear and open